Child, shoo! Mafia can't have child witness when Mafia teaching lesson. Huh? This awkward for Mafia. Mafia not sure what to do. Boss, what do we do with eyewitness? Teach her lesson, boys. Come to Papa. Why, you little... I'm gonna take you down. How did you... No child will be in the way. How did you... Enough! Mafia won't bow to little girl. Prepare to feel Mafia's wrath. Stand still! See if girl can handle this barrel. Heads up, little punk! Do not think about avoiding barrels. This lead nowhere. Mafia need to take care of this Mafia style. Prepare to feel what Mafia do to old ladies. How did you... How did you... Oh, my head! Eh?
Psh, can you believe them? What a bunch of losers. Hey, you're all right, new kid. Do you have a name? No? You shy? That's cool. You're a less talk, more fighting kind of girl, I take it. That thing you grabbed there, are you collecting them? Because I know where there's more of them. They've been raining from the sky ever since you arrived. I've seen the goons bring them to their headquarters way up there. We should go up there and get your junk! It'll be fun! I'll take any opportunity that involves messing up the Mafia! You with me, buddy? Are you ready to take down some Mafia? Let's do it! I'm psyched! Let's go over the plan. All assaults need a good plan, or it'll be a flop. First, we strangle them, choke them, and watch them beg for mercy. That'll show them. No, wait. Strangling is too kind. We smash them together into mush and put their remains in a jar. Then we sell the jar for pocket money. That'll be the ultimate salt in the wound. But first we have to make it through their Mafia HQ. Once we find and dethrone the Mafia boss, the rest will follow. Then our mush and jar party will be no problem. We've got to get you geared up. Your hat is basic, and we don't do basic in this gang. Yarn can be found around Mafia Town and used to stitch new hats if you're crafty. I've collected one for you. You need more yarn for some hats than others. I guess being creative isn't free. So keep an eye out for yarn. Now you're a killing machine. Let's go get them.
That's all you got? Seagull eat fish, but fish belongs to Mafia. We punch Seagull for not respecting Mafia. Seagull say, no punch, I have child. Mafia punch Seagull with child. Volks around city belong to Mafia. No touch. Haha, Mafia joking. Child can't open Volk. Volk's secure with code. Wait, Mafia code not in pocket. tell son, you punch people when big and strong. But Mafia knows son never become big and strong. Mafia heart is broken. Mafia see Owl with science code. Mafia ask, you make science? Owl say words Mafia no understand. Mafia punch confusing Owl. Mafia not remember what happened to old island people. Only thing Mafia remember is they make good cannonballs for town cannons.
What the? Huh? It's slimy space alien! Mafia's a spaceship! Mafia knew all along! Mafia is being invaded by aliens! Ah! Mafia alone, you monster! Here, if Mafia give you this, will you go away?